So, what are you doing? What are you up to?
I am working on my car. I am doing some clean work on my car, like the windows. And I am wearing my blue work coat. I've just discovered that the French vintage blue work coats are extremely trendy and fashionable, which is really amazing because 30 or 40 years ago, blue-collar workers would get that. Typically, they would get a couple per year, and they would have to wash them daily or weekly. But nowadays, it has become a very trendy coat or jacket that people like to wear. So actually, I used to use it when I was crawling under the car, when I was doing dirty jobs. But when I'm looking at the price right now, I cannot do that anymore. So I can only use it if I am doing very clean stuff. And it's one that I was given in the late 80s, so it's the real deal. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video. Thank you very much.